Okay, so good morning, students. All right, so what is here? Some sample questions prepared by whom? Smarika, Bhujel, right? I don't know whether there is animation or not. What is it? Doesn't move at all. Oh, secondary boarding school, first terminal examination 2081. Subject science, full mark 75. Time 3 hours, pass mark 30, right? Short question answer. What is meteorology? So you have made very short questions. Please come and present. Short questions. Short question means it is of too much. Okay. Okay. Let us explain. We will see the real creator of this. It doesn't work. This is that what happens. You can explain from there. You want to go up?
Namaste everyone, good morning to our respected Vice Principal Sir, our science teacher, my dear friends and my dear friends. My name is Smarika Bhujel from grade 9, standing here in front of you to discuss about short question answer from chapter from first terminal examination. Now without delay, I would like to start my presentation. In short question answers, A number. What is meteorology? Meteorology is the science that deals with the atmosphere and its phenomena such as weather and climate. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of heavenly bodies such as stars, comets, planets, galaxies, and phenomena that originate beyond the earth. Name any three edible mushrooms. Following are any three edible mushrooms. They are field mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, and wood mushrooms. What are fossils? Fossils are traces and preserved animals and preserved remains of dead animals and plants. Who suggested natural selection as the main cause of evolution? Charles Darwin suggested natural selection being the main cause of evolution. F number. Who suggested mutation theory? Gregor Mendel suggested mutation theory. Key number. What is the role of bacteria in grassland? What is reflex action? Reflex action is an automatic response produced by effectors in our body. Where is the thyroid gland located? Thyroid gland is situated in the neck. Define decomposers. Decomposers are defined as organisms that break down dead organic matter into simpler compounds that can be reused by the environment. J number. Mention any two abiotic components. Following are any two abiotic components. They are soil and air. Q number. What's the role of bacteria in grassland? The role of bacteria in grassland is to fertilize and decompose. Who developed the system of naming living organisms? Carlos Linnaeus developed the system of naming living organisms. What are the seven classification groups? The seven classification group are given here: kingdom, phylum or division for plant, and phylum for animals, class, order, family, and genus. And thank you. And excuse me. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Have a lovely, lovely, great day. So, give a big round of applause for Smarika. Actually, if someone does much better, then we have to appreciate as well, right? Where you want to sit? You can sit that side when you have to organize it. There is space. So it was asked for her to prepare the question of um, 2 marks. Actually, short questions means 2 marks. One thing you make your concept clear. MCQ it should be of 1 mark. There must be four options. One correct, three incorrect. Very short questions. Question and answer should be either in words or in one sentence, right? And short questions, it is of 2 marks means it should be a little bit lengthy, right? Little lengthy means minimum 2 sentence, 3 sentence must be written. And Last question. What is that? The long question. Long question. It should be of 4 marks, especially diagrammatic questions. A bit analytical questions must be done. So Smarika, she has prepared short questions, but these short questions became very, very short only. Very short. How? Like, what is meteorology? Meteorology is the science that deals with the atmosphere and its phenomena, such as weather and climate. So here is only one sentence, right? In this case, can we ask for 2 marks? So it must be asked for 1 mark. Okay. Now I want to remind you, when you are making the question for 2 marks, just choose the question from long questions. Your book's long questions, they carry how much marks? 2 marks. Your short questions, very short questions, they carry only 1 mark. Accordingly, you have to prepare. Okay. And what is second question here? What is astronomy? So, astronomy is the study of heavenly bodies such as stars, comets, planets, galaxy, and phenomena that originate beyond the Earth. Astronomy beyond the Earth, whatever occurs, that study is called astronomy. Next one is name any three edible mushrooms. What are the three edible mushrooms? Edible mushrooms, field mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, wood mushrooms, or you can write their names as well. Okay, what are their names? Agaricus campestris, Agaricus bisporus, right? Um, what are Pate Chow, Kanni Chow, but you must write scientific name. That's better, right? What are fossils? What is the answer? Fossils are traces and preserved uh, remains of dead animals and plants. Especially, where do you get them? We find them in sedimentary rocks, right? Sedimentary rocks. Who suggested natural selection as the main cause of evolution? Charles Darwin suggested natural selection being the main cause of evolution. Who suggested mutation theory? I think this is wrong, right? Gregor Mendel did not suggest mutation theory. Mutation theory was suggested by Hugo de Vries. Okay, Dutch biologist Hugo de Vries. That's right. Um, Dutch means Netherlands. Like Deutsch means Germany. Very interesting one. Deutschland they say for Germany. Deutschland they say Netherlands.
Who suggested natural selection as the main cause of evolution? Is it Harvard Spencer?
Once let me see. Let me one. Yeah. Last time we were discussing this also, right? Harvard Spencer. But here is Max natural selection, so Charles Darwin. Right? What is reflex action? Reflex action is an automatic response produced by effectors. Where is the thyroid gland located? Thyroid gland is situated or located in the neck. Define decomposers. Decomposers are defined as organisms that break down dead organic matter into simpler compounds that can be reused by the environment. Mention any two abiotic components: soil and air. What's the role of bacteria in grassland? Yeah, actually, their main role is to decompose the dead and decaying matter. They act as a decomposer. Bacteria are decomposers who develop the system of naming living organisms. Carolus Linnaeus developed the system of naming living organisms. What are the 7 classification groups? Kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus, and what is this? Species. Species also will come there, right? So these questions are suitable for very short questions. Means for 1 mark. Yes or no? Okay, these are prepared for 1 mark. So I have just reminded you. Is there any other slide sent here? Has any other student sent? Set question left. Others all completed. Set questions left. So set questions. Which one is to send today? Group A you haven't sent, so you have to prepare again, right? And Nikisa, where is your work? You could do together with her. You and Nikisa and next. Sushil, where is your work? So if you finger out others, it's not possible, right?
They will do tomorrow.
No, they will do at last. Tomorrow, group B. Which group B? Group B, 75 marks now. How much marks? 75. I have already given you the format. So now listen, all groups must send by today. Then if somebody is not coming, then I can just present another one, isn't it? Otherwise, those groups whose name is a bit late, they may do a bit later on. What is that? What is there? So in Word also you can prepare. Why not? So this question you can prepare in Word. No, a bit lengthy on also. In Word you can prepare, but I have already told you with answers. Questions with answers. Yeah.
You said only questions.
Only questions. No answer. Then okay. Okay. Then it must come by tomorrow. It must come by hello. It must come by tomorrow. I will give chance to any group, not only this group. Chance may be given to any group, like group A by group A by group A, group B by group E. Means in question also there is group A, group B, group C, group D, right? Group A, multiple choice questions. Group B, very short questions. Group C, short questions. Group D, long questions. So when you prepare that questions, you prepare accordingly. And I may call any group for presenting any group. Why not? All groups. Group A, Nikisa. No, don't talk. That's I talking the sign language do later on. So every group must send and be ready by tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Now what can be done? Talking is very bad, right? Talking is very bad. I'm going to show you the sample question, whether it is here or not. So sometimes it opens, sometimes it doesn't. What happened? What happened? It's not opening. But pause it once, look. Now we are going to discuss what type of question can be asked. So there are altogether 4 groups. Group A, MCQ. So it is given here time 2 hours 15 minutes. This time is not 2 hours 15 minutes. Time will be how much? Exactly 3 hours. Right? And next thing what you have to do? You have to do this MCQ in your question paper only. Tick the correct alternate. But if there are 2 symbols, like once you tick number A, you cut it and you tick number B, means that is cancelled. You will not get marks. That's why be confirm and tick accordingly. And so which are the no problem. Here is given in circle, then circle it. But I will say choose the best answer, means tick only. Okay. Like see how many questions are given here. How many questions are here? Sorry. Yeah. So see, uh, MCQ 10 questions. First question is here like which of the following is the third step of scientific learning?
Doing background research.
Reporting, doing background research, testing hypothesis, concept. Which one is correct?
B.
B. Which layer of gill has basidia? Which layer of gill has basidia? Ibinium. Uh, which of the following tissue can form new cells?
It's not a question.
Which one?
Which of the following is a protein? I think.
No. This may be old one.
Yeah,
This may be old one.
that's right.
Which of the following tissue can form new cells? Apical meristem. What is that? Which of the following is the rate of change of motion after starting a vehicle? I think this question doesn't come because we haven't done that one. So 10 MCQ you have to prepare. You can choose from there as well. Now, what is second question here? Group B, very short answer question. Answer the following questions in one word or sentence. That's why it is like this, right? What does question number 1 say?
A person has a
Less concentration of sugar in blood. Which gland may be responsible for it? Pancreas. Hello, pay attention here. During the time of discussion, their mind is distracted here and there. In exam time, just look up and down, side and this and that. That time gone. What do you write? What are you smelling now? Pencil. What is second question? Give an example of plasticity. Have we done? Not done. What is the major difference in the functions of firewall and so? This is not done. So how many questions are here in very short question? 9. This is sample only. So according to the grid you have to make. Group C. How many questions are there?
14.
There are 14 questions. See? Group C short answer question. Write short answer of the following questions. If your hands come in contact with acid, what will you do immediately? Mention any 2 essential steps to be taken. Yeah, what do you do? If your hands come in contact with acid, then we have to wash with cold water. Ice also can be kept. So 2 things you have to mention, right? Number second, read the question.
How does
How does mushroom farming support the national economy? Mention any 2 points.
it
It enables farmers
Which producing sound they typed in?
to establish
With that? Yes. Oh. So, how does it support national economy? By mushroom farming,
we can
um, we can produce large quantity of mushroom and sell in
market.
outer countries. It can be exported, and what can be on foreign currency. Not only that, and those farmers who produce, who do mushroom farming, they also become richer day by day. It's like Gucci chow. Is it cheaper or expensive?
Expensive.
Very expensive, no? That can be exported and foreign currency can be obtained. Number 3, what is here? Two differences between continuous and differences between continuous and discontinuous variation. See, differences come here or not? 2 functions of the spinal cord. Define decomposers and producers. Farmers of a village are highly troubled by rats, so there's any 2 eco-friendly ways of getting rid of rats to them.
Snake.
So these are the things. Like 14 questions they will be asked from here. Yes or no? How many questions? 14 questions. So you have to do. And the last question. What is the last question? Group D. Group D. Many diagram. Many questions are there. How many questions should be asked? 7 questions. See what is given here? Organism P, Q, R, S, T. Now they have asked a question here. You have to solve accordingly. These are a bit critical analytical questions. You must understand and do accordingly. This direct learning method doesn't work. And so here another question is given. How many? 4 questions are given. So you must prepare question accordingly and submit by today. Tomorrow we will be discussing and writing those answers as well. Right? Understood or not? So in today's class, now students, you have to write these answers. Sent by whom? Smarika. So okay, your time starts now. Uh, so okay, here are the questions, and where there is mistake, you have to correct. Okay. Yes. So let's begin.